morning friends. Due to some reason, lecture number 7, after lecture number 7, that is we are continuing derivative of inverse function, some very important part was left. So in this lecture we will be doing that particular part based on derivative of inverse function. So let us begin. I have given this as what, lecture number 9. So let us start lecture number 9 on derivative of inverse function. सीधा ही करना है ना. So y is equal to tan inverse cosec x plus cot x. Cosec is what, 1 upon sine, and cot is what, cos upon sine. When we take LCM, it will become tan inverse 1 plus cos x upon sin x. 1 plus cos x is what, 2 cos square x by 2 upon sin x is what, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Tan inverse 2 cos will get cancelled, get cot x by 2. Cot can be written as tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. Will give you pi by 2 minus x by 2. So y is what? Pi by 2 minus x by 2. Differentiating with respect to x. Minus 1 by 2. Y is tan inverse root 1 plus sin 4x by 3 plus root 1 minus sin 4x by 3 upon root 1 plus sin 4x by 3 minus root 1 minus sin 4x by 3. Now 1 plus sin theta is what? Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 the whole square. And 1 minus sin theta is what? Cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 the whole square. That will use here. Root half of this. So cos 2x by 3 plus sin 2x by 3 the whole square plus root of cos 2x by 3 minus sin 2x by 3 the whole square divided by root of cos 2x by 3 plus sin 2x by 3 the whole square minus root cos 2x by 3 minus sin 2x by 3 the whole square. Tan inverse square root and square will get cancelled, will get cos 2x by 3 plus sin 2x by 3 plus cos 2x by 3 minus sin 2x by 3 upon cos 2x by 3 plus sin 2x by 3 minus cos 2x by 3 minus sin 2x by 3. When we open bracket, plus sin 2x by 3 minus sin 2x by 3 will get cancelled. Tan inverse two cos 2x by 3 upon cos minus cos will get cancelled, you will get 2 sin 2x by 3. Tan inverse cot 2x by 3. Tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus 2x by 3. Tan inverse tan will get cancelled, get pi by 2 minus differentiating with respect to x. Zero minus 2 by 3 into 1 will give you minus 2 by 3. Y is what? Cos inverse root 3 cos x minus sin x upon 2. Cos inverse root 3 by 2 cos x minus 1 by 2 sin x. Now see, outside we have cos inverse. So we want this as expansion of cosine. And expansion of cosine is what? Cos, cos, sin, sin. Cos is there. Cos inverse cos x root 3 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 6 cos 30 sin x and 1 by 2 can be written as sin 30. Cos inverse cos x plus pi by 6. Cos inverse cos will get cancelled, get x plus differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is what? 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Y is equal to cos inverse 10 upon, this is cosec inverse. Slight correction is there. Y is cosec inverse. It is cosec inverse cosec inverse 10 upon 6 sine 2 raised to x minus 8 cos this is sine inverse 6 sine 2 raised to x minus 8 cos 2 raised to x upon 10 will give you sine inverse 6 upon 10 is what? 3 by 5 sine 2 raised to x minus 4 by 5 cos 2 raised to x. Make a right angle triangle. This angle is what? Alpha. This is what? I want this as what? I want this as what? Expansion of sine, because outside is sine inverse, and expansion of sine is what? Sine cos, cos sine. Sine is there, so this we want cos. So in that case 3 you take as what? Adjacent. 5 will be hypotenuse and 4 will be opposite. Where is sine alpha? 4 by 5. Cos alpha 3 by 5, where alpha is constant angle measured in radian. Therefore equation 1 becomes equation 1 will become y is equal to sine inverse sine 2 raised to x cos alpha minus cos 2 raised to x sine alpha, which will give you sine inverse sine of 2 raised to x minus alpha, which is 2 raised to x. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is what? 2 raised to x log 2 minus 0. 2 raised to x log 2 is the answer. Differentiate following with respect to x. Now in this case we have to substitute. 1 minus outside is what? Y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon put x is equal to tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse x. So y will become what? Cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Cos inverse cos 2 theta. This is cos 2 theta formula. Will give you 2 theta, and theta is what? Tan inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x. 2 into derivative of tan inverse is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is what? 2 upon 1 plus x square. Y is what? Sine inverse 2x root 1 minus x square.
Okay, so next problem is what? Sine inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Y is equal to sine inverse 2x root. In this problem, cases are not mentioned, but we'll mention that. Case 1. When minus 1 by root 2 is less than x is less than 1 by root 2. So put x is equal to sine theta. So y will become sine inverse 2 sine theta root 1 minus sine square theta. Sine inverse 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine inverse sine 2 theta will give you 2 theta. The reason for this is what? Since minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than, therefore minus pi by 4 less than theta less than pi by 4. So minus pi by 2 less than 2 theta less than pi by 2, which is what? 2 sine inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is what? 2 into derivative of sine inverse is what? Which is 2 upon root 1 minus x square. Second case is what? When minus 1 less than x less than minus 1 by root 2 or 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1. Put x is equal to cos theta. So y will become sine inverse 2 cos theta into root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sine inverse 2 cos theta into sine theta. Sine inverse sine 2 theta will give it 2 theta. 2 cos inverse x differentiating with respect to x dy by dx is what? 2 into delta of cos inverse is what? Minus 1 upon root. Minus 2 upon root 1 minus x square. Here the reason is what? Since minus 1 less than x less than minus 1 by root 2 or 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1. So this implies here we are replacing cos theta. So theta will be what? Minus. For minus 1 it is what? In second quadrant it is negative. So in second quadrant angle will be what? Tan. So 3 pi by 4 less than x less than pi or pi by 4 less than x less than 0, that is 0 less than x less than pi by 4. It is cosine. So when we multiply 2, it will become what? 3 pi by 2 is the answer. Next is cos inverse 3x minus 4x cube. This is 4x cube. Y is equal to cos inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Put x is equal to sine theta. So theta will be what? Sine inverse x. So y will become cos inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Cos inverse sine 3 theta. Cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus 3 theta will give you pi by 2 minus, and theta is what? 3 sine inverse x. So differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is what? 0 minus 3 into 1 upon root 1 minus x square minus 3 upon root 1 minus x square. Y is cos inverse e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Cos inverse 1 upon e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x, upon 1 upon e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x. We'll take LCM and this LCM will get cancelled with LCM in denominator. 1 minus e raised to minus x, 1 plus e raised to minus x square. Put e raised to minus x as tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse e raised to minus x. So y will become cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Cos inverse cos 2 theta will give you 2 theta. So y will be 2 tan inverse e raised to minus x. 2 into tan inverse 1 upon e raised to x. 2 times cot inverse differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is what? 2 into bracket minus 1 upon 1 plus e raised to x square into dy by dx of e raised to x. 2 upon 1 plus derivative of e raised to x is what? E raised to x. 1 plus e raised to 2x. Y is what? Cos inverse 1 minus 9 raised to x upon 1 plus 9 raised to x. This can be written as 3 raised to x squared upon 1 plus 3 raised to x squared. Put 3 raised to x as what? Tan theta. So theta is what? Tan inverse 3 raised to x. So y will become cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon which is nothing but cos inverse cos 2 theta. Cos inverse cos cancel 2 theta. 2 tan inverse 3 raised to x. differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is what? 2 into bracket 1 upon 1 plus 3 raised to x square into d by dx of 3 raised to x. 2 upon 1 plus, we can write 9 raised to x into 3 raised to x log 3. We'll give it 2 into 3 raised to x log 3 upon 1 plus 9 raised to x. Cot inverse 1 minus root x upon 1 plus root x. Y is cot inverse 1 minus root x upon. We can convert this to tan inverse. Take reciprocal. So 1 plus root x upon 1 minus root x. Tan inverse 1 can be written as tan pi by 4 plus root x is what? Tan theta. 1 minute. Put root x as, so theta will be tan inverse root x. So y will become tan inverse 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. And this can be written as tan pi by 4 plus theta. Will give you what? Pi by 4 plus tan inverse root x. Differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is what? Derivative of pi by 4 is 0 plus 1 upon 1 plus root x square into d by dx of root x. 1 upon 1 plus x. Derivative of root x is what? So finally we are getting 1 upon 2 root x into bracket 1 plus x. Y is sine inverse 4 raised to x plus half upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Sine inverse law of indices 4 raised to half into 4 raised to x upon 1 plus 2 raised to 2 raised to 2x will give you sine inverse 2 into 4 raised to x upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Put 4 raised to x as tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse 4 raised to x. So y will become sine inverse 2 into tan theta upon 1 plus 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sine 2 theta formula. Sine inverse sine 2 theta will give you 2 theta, and theta is what? Tan inverse 4 raised to x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is what? 2 into derivative of tan inverse is what? 1 upon 1 plus 4 raised to x square into d by dx of 4 raised to x. 2 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Derivative of 4 raised to x is what? 4 raised to x log 4. Which is same as 2 into 4 raised to x log 4 upon 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. Now, further problems are based on two important formulae. You can note down first. Tan inverse a plus b upon 1 minus ab is tan inverse a plus tan inverse b. And second one is what? Tan inverse a minus b upon 1 plus ab. Tan inverse a minus. You can see in both the formulae a plus, numerator plus, so denominator will be minus. Numerator sign comes. Minus, so denominator will be what? Plus. And numerator sign minus comes in between. And in both the formulae, one is there. This is what we need to remember. Y got tan inverse 8x upon 1 minus 15x square. Now, in this case, factorize 15 in such a way so that after subtractions, then after addition must get 8. 5 3 are 15. 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this can be written as tan inverse 5x plus 3x upon 1 minus 5x into 3x. Now this is tan inverse a plus b upon 1 minus ab. Will give you tan inverse a plus tan inverse b. Differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is what? D by dx of tan inverse 5x plus d by dx of tan inverse 3x. Derivative of tan inverse is what? 1 upon 1 plus 5x square into d by dx of 5x. Derivative of tan inverse is what? 1 upon 1 plus 3x the whole square into d by dx of 3x will give you 1 upon 1 plus 25x square into 5 plus 1 upon 1 plus 9x square into delta of 3x is what? 3 will give you 5 upon 1 plus 3 upon 1 plus 9x square. Next is y is equal to cot inverse 1 plus 35x square upon 2x will convert to tan inverse by taking reciprocal 2x upon 1 plus, as I told, factorize 35 in such a way so that after subtraction you must get 2. 7 5 are 35. So this can be written as tan inverse 7x minus 5x upon 1 plus 7x into 5x will give you tan inverse 7x minus tan inverse 5x. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is what? d by dx of tan inverse 7x minus d by dx of tan inverse 5x. Derivative of tan inverse is what? 1 upon 1 plus 7x square into d by dx of 7x minus 1 upon 1 plus 5x square into d by dx of 5x. 1 upon 1 plus 49x square into 7 minus 1 upon 1 plus 25x square into 5. 7 upon minus 5 upon 1 plus 25x square. Number 3 is what? Y is cot inverse a square minus 6x square upon 5ax. Will convert this cot inverse to tan inverse by taking reciprocal. So tan inverse 5ax upon a square minus 6x square. We want here 1. To get 1, we'll divide both numerator and denominator by a square. So tan inverse 5ax upon a square divided by a square minus 6x square upon a square. Tan inverse 5 times x by a 1 minus 6 times x by a square. Now factorize 6 in such a way so that after addition must get 5. 3 and 2. Tan inverse 3x by a plus 2x by a upon 1 minus 3x by a into 2x by a. Which is equal to tan inverse 3x by a plus tan inverse 2x by a. Differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is what? dy dx of tan inverse 3x upon a plus d by dx of tan inverse 2x upon a. Derivative of tan inverse is what? 1 upon 1 plus 3x upon a square into d by dx of 3x upon a plus 1 upon 1 plus 2x upon a square into d by dx of 2x upon a. Now when we'll expand, a square LCM will go up. We'll get a square upon a square plus 9x square into derivative of 3x upon a is what? 3 by a. Plus again, a square LCM will go up upon a square plus 4x square into 2 upon a. A will get cancelled, so we'll get 3a upon a square plus 9x square plus 2a upon a square plus 4x square is that. So it is what? Y is equal to tan inverse 5 minus x upon 6x square minus 5x minus 3. In the formula we need 1 plus 6x square minus 5x minus 4. And numerator 5 minus x keep as it is. We'll factorize it. 1 plus 6x square minus 8 is there 24. 8x plus 3x minus 4. Tan inverse 5 minus x. 1 plus, take 2x common. 3x minus 4 plus 1 common. 3x minus 4. 5 minus x upon 1 plus 3x minus 4 into 2x plus 1 are the factors. Now we'll adjust this in numerator. Tan inverse 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 4 upon 1 plus 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 4. Now this is tan inverse A minus B upon 1 plus AB. So tan inverse 2x plus 1 minus tan inverse 3x minus 4. Differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is what? D by dx of tan inverse 2x plus 1 minus d by dx of tan inverse 3x minus 4. Now derivative of tan inverse is what? 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 1 square into d by dx of 2x plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 3x minus 4 square into d by dx of 3x minus 4. 1 plus 2x plus 1 square. Derivative of 2x plus 1 is what? 2. And minus 1 upon 1 plus 3x minus 4 square into derivative of 3x minus 4 is what? 3. We'll give it 2 upon 1 plus minus 3 upon 1 plus 3x minus 4 square. Is this. And last one is y is equal to cot inverse 4 minus x minus 2x square upon 3x plus 2. We'll convert this to tan inverse 3x plus 2 upon 4 minus x minus 2x square. In formula we want one. So tan inverse 3x plus 2 1 plus 3 minus 2x square. One, take minus common. So 2x square plus x minus 3. Tan inverse 3x plus 2 upon 1 minus factors are 2x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3. Tan inverse 3x plus 2 upon 1 minus x common, you'll get 2x plus 3 minus 1 common. So factors are 2x plus 3 into x minus 1, which is equal to tan inverse 2x plus 3 plus x minus 1. plus upon 1 minus 2x plus 3 into will give you tan inverse 2x plus 3 plus tan inverse differentiating with respect to x dy by dx is what? D by dx of tan inverse 2x plus 3 plus d by dx of tan inverse x minus 1. 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3 square into d by dx of 2x plus 3 plus 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 square into d by dx of 1 upon 2x plus 3, 1 plus 2x plus 3 square. Derivative of 2x plus 3 is what? 2. Derivative of x minus 1 is what? 1. 2 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 square. Thank you very much. Anything is possible. You have to try for it. कोई भी चीज पॉसिबल है उसके लिए आपको दिल से कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी. कहते हैं ना आसमान में भी सुराग हो सकता है, एक पत्थर यारो दिल से उछाल कर तो देखो. थैंक यू.